Welcome back, everyone, and thank you for joining today. Let's dive right into the story that has the internet buzzing about Kim Kardashian and why she's once again at the center of conversation. This time for a look that fans say makes her resemble none other than the Joker. Kim Kardashian is no stranger to public scrutiny, especially when it comes to her carefully curated images. For years, she's been accused of editing her photos to maintain what many call the perfect look. But recently, things took a turn when an image sparked major debate online. Fans noticed something unusual about her appearance, from her sharp facial structure to overly smoothed features, and many began to question whether the photo had been edited too heavily. Some even claimed the end result looked so exaggerated that it reminded them of a comic book villain. The comparison to the Joker quickly took off across social media platforms. For some fans, the striking makeup and intense expression in the photo felt more theatrical than natural. Others pointed out details like a heavily defined jawline, an almost painted-on smile, and sharp contrast in lighting, all of which gave the picture an eerie, stylized vibe. While some defended Kim, saying it was just high-fashion styling, others insisted that the photo looked more like the result of editing gone too far. This isn't the first time Kim has faced these kinds of accusations. Over the years, fans have spotted warped backgrounds, unusual proportions, and inconsistencies between paparazzi pictures and the images posted on her own social accounts. These so-called editing fails often spark conversation about the unrealistic standards celebrities set for beauty and whether constant digital alterations contribute to the pressure everyday people feel about their own appearance. What makes this incident stand out, however, is the Joker comparison. Normally, criticisms revolve around whether a photo looks natural or not. But linking her look to such a dramatic fictional character turned the conversation into something bigger, highlighting just how powerful public perception can be when one image sparks a whole narrative. It also shows how quickly social media can turn observations into memes, reshaping the conversation into something that spreads far beyond the original photo. Some of Kim's supporters argue that her team is simply experimenting with bold, artistic styles. After all, high-fashion editorials often push the boundaries of makeup, lighting, and editing to create striking visuals. Others, however, say that celebrities have a responsibility to show authenticity, especially when millions of young followers may be influenced by the images they post. At the end of the day, Kim Kardashian has built an empire on her image, and every photo she shares carries enormous weight. Whether it was an intentional artistic choice, a poorly executed edit, or simply fans reading too much into it, the fact remains that people are talking, and that's something Kim has always mastered.
So, what do you think?
Was this just bold styling mistaken for bad editing, or did the photo cross the line into looking unnatural? That's all for today's story. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your thoughts in the comments, and share this video with others who might find it interesting.